Aloha guys, it's Logan back again with another Go-Go Rental Discover, and today we are at Three Tables on Oahu's North Shore. So who would come to Three Tables? Really, I can see two different scenarios as to why you would come to Three Tables. One, you just want to hang out on the beach. If you guys are going to be snorkeling at Sharks Cove and you want to do a little beach time afterwards, there's not a ton of free beach space there at Sharks Cove. So head on down the road to Three Tables, less than a half a mile, and you can post up on a little bit larger beach here. The other person that might want to come to Three Tables is someone that's still looking for another snorkeling spot. So if you want another snorkeling spot on the North Shore, I will tell you that Three Tables is going to be a bit more temperamental. It tends to develop a surf break, whereas Sharks Cove, not so much as a surf break there. You only have to worry about maybe like tide and a little bit of rip current. But here, especially today, actually it looks decently flat right now. But just before we were flying the drone, waves were getting pretty sizable, and I wouldn't have recommended that anyone that isn't a strong swimmer get in the water at that time. While visiting Three Tables, you can expect them to have restrooms, showers, and water fountains, just like most beach parks here in Hawaii. Parking here at Three Tables, tight, fills up quick. So if you guys are traveling from like Haleiwa side and you're headed east, you're gonna hit a stoplight. At that stoplight, you can just make a left and go right into the parking lot. If you're headed the opposite direction, obviously just the opposite. So if you're heading from the east side to the west side on the North Shore, you can make a right at that same stoplight and you'll be right into the parking lot. If that parking lot is full and you really do want to make it to Three Tables, you can always come down, check parking at Sharks Cove, park there, and then just walk the short walk back to Three Tables. The unfortunate thing about coming to Three Tables or Sharks Cove is once those parking lots are full, they're basically full and there isn't any like other options. There's not a whole lot of like just off the street type parking where it's still a short convenient walk. You really have to park like a mile or more away and then walk back to the beach or cove or tables or wherever you're headed. So Three Tables gets its name from the three distinct rock formations that really just look like little tables in the water. Now, a few things to remember about these tables. As you work your way from in to out towards that last table, on the ocean-facing side or the side furthest from shore, that's gonna be where those waves are not breaking. They're not breaking yet, so you can kind of just roll over the top of them, no big deal. Where you don't want to get caught is on the shore side of those waves, where they're breaking and already coming over on top of you. Unless you're an experienced swimmer, you've dived under waves in the past, I'm not gonna recommend even going out if that's the way it looks. And it really doesn't get deep fast either. It's a nice gradual slide into some, we'll call them shallow, deeper water. And that is gonna be it from Three Tables, guys. If you're looking for a spot on Oahu's North Shore that has both snorkeling opportunity and a fairly good sized beach, then Three Tables is a good spot for you. I'm still Logan, this is still Go-Go Rental, and we're still making these discovery videos. Until next time, aloha.